Say good morning to your viewers. Sige na. Say good morning. Say good morning to your viewers, anak. Sige na, anak. Inohola guys, good morning. Happy Thursday. This is Papi's update. Kinakarga ko lang muna si Papi guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Tarong anak. Karga ko lang muna si Papi guys. Ito po si Papi oh. Shout out everyone. As usual, kinakarga ko pa rin si Papi guys. Napakabigat na po ni Papi mga palangga. Hindi ko na masyadong maalsa si Papi dahil ang bigat. Mabinat na naman ako guys pag magsayaw ako masyado. Yan po. Good morning, good morning. Araw ngayon ng Huwebes, July 25, 2025. This is Papi's update. As usual, kargang-karga ko pa din siya guys kahit mabigat. Good morning sa lahat. Tonight, it's been a year. Many times a year. Here I am, all alone. Here's a thirst from me to you. Said never, never would I need. Here's a tears from me to you. Said never, never make you hear me. I love you. You didn't feel the same. I love you, anak. Love Mama Lisa. I love you, Papi. Mama, love ti ka, Mama. Oy, huwag kang mag-alala, Mama. Love ti ka kaayo, Mama. Ingon ni Papi, guys. Naghangin na, anak. Hala, nikidop ang kurente, anak. Nagsugod naghangin. So, Mama. Love ti ka, Mama. Ingon ni Papi, Mama. Kaya guys, nag-umpisa na pong naghangin kasi mayroong bagyo sa Luzon area. Malakas daw na bagyo. Typhoon Imong. Ayan. Naabli na ang pultahan guys. Dahil sa lakas ng hangin, nabukas yung pintuan. Bigat na gid mo anak. Uy, thank you for watching guys. Have a fruitful Thursday. This is Papi's update for today's morning. I love you all.